Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we will learn how to create privacy policy page for your blog because privacy policy play a very vital role for the AdSense approval on your blogger site. So let's start the class. For this purpose, you just log into your blogger. Click on pages, create new page. After this, open new tab and write privacy policy generator. Click on the first site you see. Then it is very slow. So sorry for the delay. Website, company name and website name. Website, click on next. Do you use cookies on your site? Yes. Do you use address to Google AdSense on your website? Yes. Do you use third party? Yes. Click on next. Select country. So my country is Pakistan. State Hera Pakhtunkhwa in email as that and generate my privacy policy for the blogger. So it is generated. Click on the copy text to clipboard. Go to your blogger and HTML view. Clear your previous code and control paste. So our privacy policy page is ready. So this is privacy policy. Now the second step is that search your file, any link is linking to. So click on this, delink this, okay. Click on this, delink this, okay. Click on this and delink this. So our privacy page is ready. Now to check how it look, click on preview button. In preview you will see the privacy page. Okay, so everything is okay. Now I click on publish and confirm. So our privacy policy page is published on Blogger. Click on this. So this is our privacy policy page. You can see it's created in just seconds. So in today's class, we learn how to create privacy policy for our blogger. For this purpose, you open your blogger or log into your blogger. Go to page menu, click on new page, your title privacy policy, then open a new tab and write privacy policy generator. Click on the first site you will see on your page and give the basic information to the generator. It will generate a privacy policy page for your blogger in seconds. After the creation of the privacy policy code, copy from the privacy policy generator and paste to your post. After this, you will do delink the linking sites in your privacy policy. So your privacy policy page is ready. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss any updates from my channel. If you have any question, just write in comment section. I will look forward to your comments. So once again, thanks for watching. So let's view my blog. So the blog is now gradually completed mode, click on